Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on Harvest Finance. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Harvest Finance has broken out a quite long-term resistance of a falling wedge pattern. And this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $57.50 that has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And now again, it worked as a strong resistance and the price and has geared up after testing this next support of $41 that was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And before that, it has been working as a very nice support back here in the month of June 2021 when we had this very powerful bounce from this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and you can see that for the past several weeks, months, it is trying to break it out. This very huge resistance of bearish cloud, and we will also watch this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Harvest Finance that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 16% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Harvest Finance that I shared on 26th of Feb 2024, almost 5 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Harvest Finance formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that on the very next candlestick, the price and again entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very powerful reversal. And so far it has pumped almost 16%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Harvest Finance. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months or years, it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. We found the support here in the month of November 2020, and we found the resistance here in the month of January 2021. And this was a multi-year based, quite long-term and strongest resistance for high risk finance. You can see we got several ejections from the resistance, several bouncing from the support as well. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge and finding a quite long-term support here at $20.50. In fact, it formed a quite big double bottom at this support. You can see here, this was the first bottom, this was the second bottom, and price line rallied very well. And now it has reached this resistance of $57.50. Even before breaking out this falling wedge pattern, when it was moving here and quite squeezed inside this wedge, I've been telling you in those days that once Harvest Finance will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very powerful rally to the upside, and that rally has just begun. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 230%, and during this rally we have broken out several significant resistance levels. Like here we got a quite strong resistance of $30 that was previously breaking as a support here for several weeks. And now, after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. We got a few rejections here. And after the breakout from this resistance, the price line retested this level as a support for several weeks. The price line also broke out the next major resistance of $41 as well. That was previously working as a very nice support back in the month of June 2021 when we had this huge drop. The price and bounced very well. Then we had a very nice and long-term rally where the price and got rejected by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And now you can see it is working as a support when we got rejected by the next resistance of $57.50. The price and has bounced from this support here for a while. The price and moved slightly down than this support, but it covered back very soon, and now still it is working as a support. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout, that long-term target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $900 to $1,000. So this was the update so far I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.